On this episode of Shiny G EDH Computer Repair, I show you the newest update for RedKey USB. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you the newest update for RedKey USB. As you can see here, I have the RedKey already running, so all I got to do is just do default settings, push enter. So this is the newest update that is out that I do know of. This, in the previous video, this is data wiping software for those who might be new to the channel or are curious what I'm doing. So this is the newest version. So as you can see here, the computer is loading the system up. So it is starting. This is really cool. I like this. I've used this software plenty of times on different computers and stuff like that, and it works really well. So as you can see here, it is starting. Just so that it is known, I am not going to actually wipe anything. I'm just going to show the options and how they have changed. So as you see here, you have 1 for graphical and 2 for text-based. I am going to push 1. And this will load a graphical user interface. This program is very nice to use, like I stated in a previous video. I just want to see what has changed. This is running off the key itself. The operating system is Debian Linux. Unfortunately, this computer is really old, so it didn't load the software right away. But give it a few minutes and it will load. You might see some issues with the network. I do not have this computer on a network right now. I was moving stuff around. Okay, so as you saw, this key runs Debian Linux. So this is how you adjust stuff before you get going. So I'm going to click OK. And now it is loading. And now you have what I like to call the sound wave. I don't know the technical term for that, but that is how you know. Right there, it says connection failed because I do not have this computer online. So if you hear that, that means my TV speakers are working. I'm just going to click OK. It says, welcome to RedKey USB Ultimate. RedKey USB Ultimate, if you didn't watch my last video, is the highest one you can get. So, these are all the options. And if we go into Wipe Wizard, you could do this. And you see it has a picture of an SSD here. This is new. This was never in the previous update. If you go to External Disk, it has a USB symbol. Mobile device. Yes, you can wipe mobile devices with this. I'd be very careful with doing that. Don't use, if you're going to use this one, make sure it's on a device you don't need to use on a daily basis. Because if it wipes it totally clean and you need that device, you may not have it. So be very careful about that. All right, so I'm going to click back. If you click Auto Nuke, what Auto Nuke does is basically as it says. It auto nukes. So I just want to see that. So it's looking at the hardware and settings. Why does it look at the hardware and settings? This software wants to know what it is working with. It's like somebody building a house on a property. They want to know what they are working with. And that's why it says that. Now this computer is older, so it might take a little bit to load. And that's what's happening. Okay, so this is normal here. So just like in previous versions, you have nuke now, 4-minute interval, and auto destruct sequence. Now I'm not going to use any of these right now, but they have the funniest screen for it. And basically it has an alarm and then it goes boom. So, and if you look up here, if we go to settings, and what's nice is this screen, this software has a screensaver. It's really, really nice. So if you go to remote mode, I could do this remotely, which is really cool. Go to advanced, and this will give you all your options. So everything is pretty much the same. It's just an updated version. I haven't used this software in a really long time, so I wanted to review it. And down at the bottom here, where it says motherboard, it gives you the serial number, RAM, everything you need to know, which is very, very nice. So it has kind of like, I think I stated this in the video I did a few years back, it has its own CPU-Z basically. Okay, here's the advanced data. So we could do disk selection, we could view raw data, or we could clear all settings in all disks. So you can clear things and do all that. This hasn't changed much, and if you look up here, you can take a screenshot of stuff. That's what the camera is for. And you can change the theme to a dark or light. I have no network connection. So we'll go back to main menu. And if you want to know info, I could purge red key, but let's do system info. Purging means cleaning it out. Okay, like I stated earlier, it has its own CPU-Z. So over here is the model of the computer, the CPU, the GPU, the board, the RAM, and the graphics card. That's pretty cool. So you can use this to do that. If you go over here, if you go to About, this is what Red Key USB does. And it is a very powerful tool. Alright, so we go back, do return, and I can power off my computer from here. It says goodbye. And now the computer is going to be powered off. And the computer is off. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.